Broad compatibility. Fits 2 screens up to 20 inches and 7 to 22 pounds each. Compatible with VESA patterns 75 by 75 mm and 100 by 100 mm. Everything you need. Includes 2 LX arms and extensions, 23-inch pole, heavy-duty 2-piece desk clamp for surface edges 0.63 to 2.6 inches thick, grommet mount plate and hardware for installation through a desktop hole, 2 pole collars, 2 caps and mounting hardware. Comfortable workspace. Find your best view for each project with 13 inches of lift, rising 31.7 inches from the desktop. Customize how you work or collaborate at your workstation with 360 degrees of rotation and 75 degrees of tilt. Flexible working. Easily stack screens one over the other or position to either side. Up your screen count and productivity with 3 or 4 displays using the LX arm, extension and collar kit accessory. 97-940-026. Free up more of your work surface with thoughtful cable management. Built to last. Extensive quality testing ensures your display stays stable and secure. Ergotron products set the standard for quality with a 10-year warranty and expert technical support. Top reviews from the United States. Best monitor arms out there. Ergotron are the only monitor arms I trust. Solidly built, easy assembly, great range of motion. Freed up so much desk space wasted by the stands of my 2 ultra-wide monitors. Not to mention, now my monitors can be adjusted to proper ergonomic position for me, which wasn't possible with the stands they came with.